Jāņi is the most Latvian of all Latvian celebrations, but it's the one that foreigners can easily relate to because it revolves around three activities: a bonfire, alcohol and singing. Jāņi night is also the time that people feel most carefree in terms of their alcohol intake and personal relationships. Almost every Latvian is hungover and has something to regret the next morning, which is why we thought up the slogan, "If only you'd thought more about eating."
Labāk būtu ēdis. Labāk būtu ēdis. Labāk būtu ēdis.